Hello guys. Today's video will learn how to make a heart rate monitor at home. Materials needed for this: Arduino Uno development board, Nokia 5110 LCD screen, and pulse sensor. Now that we know our parts, we can move on to programming this board. We add the necessary libraries to the Arduino. But you need to download Nokia 5110 library from the internet. You can download the pulse sensor library from Arduino. After defining the libraries, we write which slot the pins will go into. In the void setup section, we write the serial communication port. Then we write pulse sensor codes and LCD screen codes respectively. We also code what should be written on the LCD screen in this section. We wanted to write the data coming from the sensor to the LCD screen in the void loop section. I print the slot I designed for the sensor and LCD screen with a 3D printer. I place my parts on the print from the 3D printer. First, I attach the pulse sensor to the socket, then I will connect the sensor's cables to the Arduino. Now I am making the cable connections of the LCD screen. As I showed at the beginning of the video, the name of the pin inputs is written on the back surface of the LCD screen. I plug in all the cables accordingly. I attach the LCD screen to its socket and make the Arduino connections. The important thing here is not to confuse the locations of the pins. Which pin inputs we have specified in the program, we need to replace those pins respectively. Otherwise, the LCD screen may not work correctly. Now that our connections are finished, we can test this project. See you in the testing section. Yes, friends, we are together in the test section. I connected my Arduino to power bank so that it can get the necessary power. But you can connect it to your computer and view your data instantly through the port. Try not to press your finger too hard on the sensor here. If you press too hard, it may not read the data properly, which means it measures incorrectly. The same thing happens when you move your finger too far from the sensor. Just tap on it lightly. Thanks for watching me. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to follow me.